Carrot and Stick is the second episode of the sixth season of the AMC television series Better Call Saul, the spin-off series of Breaking Bad. The episode aired on April 18, 2022, directly after the season premiere Wine and Roses on AMC and AMC+ in the United States and Canada. Outside of the United States, the episode premiered on the streaming service Netflix in several countries. Mike and Gus's men break into Nacho's safe, from which Mike takes Nacho's cash and the fake Canadian IDs Nacho had made for himself and Manuel. Victor delivers a duplicate safe to Nacho's home, into which Mike places the cash, Nacho's fake ID, and an envelope. Jimmy meets with the Kettlemans, now proprietors of a shady tax preparation service, and cons them into believing they have grounds to sue Howard. As Jimmy and Kim intended, the Kettlemans ask Cliff Main to represent them in a lawsuit claiming Howard used cocaine when HHM represented Craig during his embezzlement case. Cliff refuses because his firm's work with Howard's on the Sandpiper case poses a conflict of interest, but he lapses into pensive silence after they leave. Nacho becomes restless while hiding at the motel and believes he is being surveilled. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.